Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to start a faceless YouTube channel and make a lot of money from it. You may be starting a faceless YouTube channel, or maybe you have probably even started one, but breaking through is very hard for you. I'm going to show you how to start a faceless YouTube channel, or if you already have one, how to really make videos that will generate a lot of views and get you a lot of money. This is one faceless YouTube channel based in Nigeria called House of Ajebo. Their estimated money they make from YouTube a month is $20,000. And then as you can see, in the last 30 days, they had about 5.051 million. This one is Social Blade estimate. You can go to Social Blade. The figures may not be exactly the same, but Social Blade is using an estimate of $4 per 1,000 views. So that is 1 RPM is thousand is $4. Okay. Yeah. Now, if you or I mean that the RPM, that's 1,000 views of a video, is $4. Now, so how do you do your how do you start your faceless YouTube channel in such a way that it will generate a lot of views and get you a lot of revenue? So I have a laid down procedure you must follow in order to do this successfully. The first step is you come to this particular article or just follow me, and then let me show you. You have to choose a niche where the CPM and RPM is high. YouTube is not just about making content. It's about making relevant content in an area that has CPM. If your agenda or your main aim is to make good income. So if you look at the top highest CPM by this particular article is written by TubeBuddy, which is an authority on YouTube. They really help you get a lot of views on YouTube. So they are saying that making money online, digital marketing, personal finance, educational, tech, cars, and gadgets. These are all part of the top 10, up to motivational and spiritual. From my experience, personal finance, digital marketing, making money online, and motivational and spiritual are the top they are the top niches that help me to get high RPM. So those that I just mentioned, you can choose any of them and they will really help you make a lot of money. But at least any other up to the top, the 15. For gaming and comedy and humor and entertainment, their RPMs are generally lower. Their CPM and RPMs are generally lower. But all those I mentioned are good. Now, when you decide on your niche, now you have to decide how you're going to make your videos. And there are three ways you can make your faceless videos and be able to rank well and get a lot of views. There are three types of videos, faceless videos I would recommend. The number one is you can do cartoons animation. So if you want to do cartoons animation, this is an example of a channel that is into it, House of Ajebo channel. They have got over, I earlier on showed you, you've got in the last 30 days, they've got over 5.2 million views. And if you want to have this particular tool that will help you analyze well and know which of the which videos or which topics and how the other channels are performing, get vidIQ. vidIQ is very good and I recommend you get it. It is free. It also has a paid version. You can use either the free or paid version and it will help you. Now, if you get that particular software, it can help you determine videos that will rank well for you. Now, to do your faceless videos, there are a lot of cartoons related channels that you can learn how to make videos, cartoon videos. One of them you can learn with is just come here. Let me type for you and then we look at it together. Doodle. Is it? I think it's Doodly, doodly.com. Let's check Doodly. Okay, it's Doodly. Doodly tutorials. So Doodly is doing a lot in that area. So you can go for Doodly. There are a lot of other cartoons, animations that you can look for. So just go and type cartoon tutorials. our animations, cartoon animation tutorial. You get several videos. Go through them, watch them, learn how to use one of the softwares. And one of it I mentioned for you is Doodly. You can look for the ones that are easier for you to use, and you can do a lot of videos on cartoons animations, and you can do your videos perfectly. It will look nice. You can use your own voiceover. You can use also other AI voiceovers, which I will later show you. Okay, so you can use cartoons. That is one. Now, for those of you who don't know, if you don't want to use your own voice, you may want to know which voiceover app you can use. I'm showing you this particular one. So let's just check this one. AI voiceover generator. So I'm just searching for AI voiceover generator. I've used 11 Labs before. I've also used Meth AI. I've also used voice booking. All these are nice AI softwares that you can use. You can use to generate voice, AI voice generators. You can use any of them that I just mentioned. They are very, 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 very good. As I was also talking about an app for making cartoon animations, you can use InVideo. InVideo is so good. And then another one I used, which I'll show you here, is Synthesia. For Synthesia, normally it may not just that one is not, and it's not specifically about animation, but that one, when you put a topic for it, maybe you generate, you get a particular topic, you put in, and then it will generate images and footage for your video. And at the end of the day, you just have a video with footage and everything showing. It can even generate voiceover for you based on the text you will give to it. So it has several options. If you have your own voiceover, if you don't have voiceover, this particular software can help. It's an AI software for generating video. So that is the first type of video I will, the first type of videos for faceless channels, okay? The second type of videos for faceless channel I will recommend for you is documentaries, okay? So there are particular channels on YouTube. What they do is that they'll just, they'll compile videos together. So they'll go to they'll pick stories from different platforms, bring them together, compile them, and make a documentary. So that one too is also a good particular, a good option you can use. And I have there is a channel called Courtroom. Let me see whether I can get it. Courtroom. It's a channel with that particular name. I think let me check. Courtroom cases. Let me check that one. Okay, let me try courtroom documentaries. Documentary. Something like this. So what they do is that they compile videos together. They don't have their own content, but they compile cases together, or they compile videos together and add their own explanations, their own commentary, just to make sure that people will be able to understand the story and relate things together. So that one, you can go do your own research, always bring stories together, and then make when you bring pieces together and make a story, and it can also, but those type of channels, make sure that you're very careful, because YouTube has reuse policy. If you don't take time and you violate the reuse content policy, they will delete your channel, or they will demonetize your channel. Okay, the third type of videos I will recommend for you, you will use your own voiceover, or you can use an AI voiceover. I already recommended AIs for you, that you can do their voiceovers and all that. Then you will come and pick footages from this particular website, pixels.com. Pixels.com, and then freepic.com. You will take footages from these. Pixels.com is a free footage. You can get free footage from this particular site, whether it's videos or it's pictures, very high quality footage for free. Then free pick to most of their content, they are free footage. Then after you pick these footages, you will always do your own voiceover, or you will write the text and generate the voiceover using a particular app, just like those I recommended to you earlier, something like Meth.ai. We have Speechify, we have 11 Labs. 11 Labs, yeah, 11 Labs is good. We have Meth AI. You can use any of them to generate a voiceover. And then when you are editing, now you'll be taking footages from these free softwares and then you put it together. And at the end of the day, you will get very nice videos without showing your face. No one will see you and your channel will run it. If you take time and follow these procedures, you will be able to set up a very nice channel that can get you videos without showing your own face, and you'll be able to make good money on YouTube. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. I will leave a video I did earlier on how to rank very high on YouTube. If you follow it, it will help you to really rank very high and get a lot of people watching your videos. If this video helped you, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. Leave your comments in the comment section. If you have any problem, or if you also followed it and it helped you, let us know, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.